Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa. Hello gorgeous people, thank you again for joining me for another experience with Fafa. Now if you watched my video yesterday, I made this incredible peri peri sauce which I then marinated my chicken with and then baked it, and I proceeded to grill it. So it was just incredible. And of course when I baked the chicken, I was left with this lovely stock. Chicken number one. Okay, and the sizzle. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can watch how I made this incredible peri peri grilled chicken. So we're back with the stock now. And to that, I'm going to be adding my washed rice. I'd also leave a link in the description box on, the best way of cooking your rice. I have washed the rice so the water did run clear and I soaked it for about 15 minutes. And here we have it. I've added it to my beautiful stock. I've added my black pepper, as you can see, which is freshly milled, of course, as one does. And I'm going to be bringing this to the boil, but not before I add my lemon slices. So of course, with the grill, which is smoky, slightly tangy, it pairs really well with this lemon rice. So that's why I aptly named it the Peri Peri lemon rice. Now, of course, at this point, I have to add my salt to taste. This is so easy. So you see, it's just a chicken stock. We've added some few lemon slices here, and we created another dish on its own. The next thing is I'm going to bring this rice to the boil, and just when it starts to bubble, I'm adding a tablespoon, leveled tablespoon that is, of my curry powder. Now that is definitely optional, but I just needed that extra flavor and color anyway. Why not? So now that is bubbling nicely, I'm just going to cover it with my grease-proof paper, as you can tell, and that's going to trap the steam in. And yeah, I'm just going to leave this. I'm not going to disturb it. Now this is where this becomes interesting. So I've used the chicken stock, yes, for the rice, as you saw earlier. So that's cooking perfectly over here. I've used the paper that's just going to trap the steam in, and it's on the very lowest setting. So I'm just going to leave that to mind its own business, or may I mind my own business? Anyway. And after 20 minutes, here we have a pièce de résistance. Look at that rice. It's just perfect. So now here I've got my dry thyme and oregano, which I used in making my peri peri sauce. I just got a little bit left, so I'm sprinkling that on top, and I'm just mixing everything together till it's well combined. Or may I say I'm tossing it, as one does. Look at the lemon. It almost looks like a candy-like lemon thing, and the aroma is just incredible, even if I say so. That's all my loyal subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your comments, your likes, sharing the video. Me love you guys. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe. I need you guys safe. So do ensure that you wash your hands and follow the precautionary methods that has been introduced by the government. It is just to protect all of us. Now I've got a little bit of my frozen peas. Now these days we have to economize with things, so I've just added about 50 grams of it. I'm just gonna tease this. Now I like my peas crunchy, so the frozen peas just works perfectly. At this point, this is where the clay pot comes into its being, because it does retain the heat. So I've turned the heat off, and that residual heat is just going to cook the peas perfectly for me. And within about 5 minutes, here I have it. Look at that. It's green, it's nice, it's crunchy, and it's sweet as well. So this is what I love about the dish. So you've got that whole lemony flavor, coming through. You've got that peri peri flavor as well there. And then when you bite into the peas, it's like it's nice and sweet. And this just complements the grilled peri peri chicken as well. I hope I have given you that reason to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and the notification button, which means each time I do upload a video, you are notified of it. I have got another exciting recipe that I have created. Mina, gosh, it must be love. Naturally, I'd leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudu so do pass by and say hi. Noel, dearest, thank you very much for my theme song. And until I see you guys tomorrow, please take care of yourself, wash your hands, and stay indoors. And binge watch Ndudu by Fafa. How about that? Me love you for you.